Hello and welcome to DailyTUT video. In this episode, we are going to see one more workaround for the WhatsApp status couldn't send error message. I have done a video a couple of days ago and in the comment section, many have commented that the method is not working. In this episode, I'm going to suggest one of our audience comment based solution. He actually figured out another workaround. So I thought that this could help more people to address this problem instead of changing their privacy settings. You don't need to set the privacy settings to my contacts in order to expose your status update to all the people. The previous episode, which I clearly demonstrated that there is a bug that causes this problem and only WhatsApp have to release another update to fix this problem for iPhone users. And what actually the steps involved were like simple. All you need to do is go to WhatsApp settings page and then account and then privacy and then go to status. And here, if it is set to only share with, then you need to change it to my contacts. Both of these options are not working. That is the problem. My contacts, except if you want to exclude any contacts, if you want to share with only particular persons, due to some strange bug with the WhatsApp latest update, it is not working. So you need to set the status permission, the privacy settings to my contacts to make it work. Only then it will work as I demonstrated it in the video. I have tested it in a couple of iPhones and they were working pretty fine when it is set to my contacts. But what if you want to hide the WhatsApp status from certain person and we don't want to change the privacy settings? So that's where the suggestion of one of our audience comes into the picture. I have tested it and I found it is actually working. So don't worry about exposing your status update to people you don't want them to see. So simply set anything, my contacts accept or only share with, and it is not a problem right now. Go to your Photos app, the photo or a video that you want to share it to the WhatsApp status, the photo or video. Open your Photos app and open that particular content and click the share icon, and from the share sheet you need to select WhatsApp, and here you need to select my status and then click on next. Now the WhatsApp editing window opens. Here you can crop the image or edit using the edit tool, and you can do everything here. Tap on the send icon, and when you open the WhatsApp, even though the privacy settings haven't changed, so here you can see the WhatsApp status successfully set. All I'm saying is this is still a bug which WhatsApp have to address it. It has to fix it. So you need to wait for the next update to completely, let you do the WhatsApp status update within the WhatsApp application. If you're still planning to use it, as WhatsApp have rolled out some privacy related policy update that users have to agree to their data sharing policy in order to use the WhatsApp even after February 8th. So if you're okay with that and you're going to use the WhatsApp continuously, then this simple workaround must help you. So don't forget, you need to go to the Photos app and open that particular photo or video, and then you need to set the WhatsApp status update. I hope this method helped you, and thanks to Akwasi Guy, one of our audience, for his suggestion. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone related tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.